Hefei HAWIT Optoelectronic Technology Co., Ltd. specializes in the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of intelligent sorting equipment. It has grown into a large-scale production base for intelligent sorting equipment, with a total output value nearing 100 million yuan. Our main products include grain color sorter, rice color sorter, infrared color sorter, belt color sorter, T-color sorter, AI deep learning color sorter, and mini color sorter, meeting the sorting needs of all materials. Color sorting, we are everywhere, is HAWIT's pursuit and commitment to color sorting technology. From 2018 to 2025, HAWIT color sorters have been successfully exported to over 60 countries and regions, establishing the HAWIT brand both nationally and globally. Welcome to visit our factory for tours and exchanges.